Hi, grade 10 students. So we are going to discuss all about harmonic sequence. So what is harmonic sequence? So it is a sequence of numbers whose terms are reciprocals of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So when we say reciprocals of the terms of an arithmetic sequence, we are going to use the formula, okay, in finding the arithmetic sequence, the general formula for arithmetic sequence, and also the common difference, okay, just like that. Okay, kasi nga po, reciprocal of the terms lang naman po siya. Kapag masasabi natin siyang harmonic sequence, if the reciprocal of that sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, para po mas maintindihan natin, magbibigay po ako mamaya ng isang example on how to determine when the sequence is a harmonic sequence. Okay, so when we say harmonic mean naman po, it is any term between two given terms of a harmonic sequence. And when we say harmonic series, it is the sum of the terms in a harmonic sequence. But for today's video, I'm going to discuss on how to determine the sequence, whether it is a harmonic sequence or not a harmonic sequence, and on how to find the terms, okay, on how to find the terms of a harmonic sequence. Okay, so let's continue. So for example, number 1, you are asked to determine whether the sequence is a harmonic sequence or not a harmonic sequence. Given the following sequence, given the set of a sequence 1 over 5, 1 over 8, 1 over 11, 1 over 14, and 1 over 17. Okay, according to the meaning of a harmonic sequence, it is the reciprocal of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so we need to find, okay, first step is you need to find the reciprocal of the given sequence. Okay, so let's pretend talaga na hindi pa natin alam if this given sequence is an example of a harmonic sequence po. Okay, so let's find the reciprocal of this given sequence. So when we say reciprocal, ito po yung kabaligtaran ng ating fraction or ng ating number. Okay po, so 1 over 5. Ano nga bang reciprocal niyan? Babaligtarin natin sila. Okay? So, the reciprocal of 1 over 5 is 5. Tama po? Okay. So, the reciprocal is 5. How about 1 over 8? The reciprocal is 8. 1 over 11, the reciprocal is 11. 1 over 14, the reciprocal is 14. And last is 17. Okay. So, here, ito na po yung tinatawag nating reciprocal po ng ating given sequence. Okay, ma'am, what is the next step? Okay, the next step is you need to get or to find if this reciprocal sequence or if this reciprocal numbers is an example of an arithmetic sequence by getting the common difference of this sequence. Ma'am, how to find the common difference? Okay, so di ba balikan lang natin sa arithmetic sequence natin. Okay, the formula to find the common difference is D is equal to A sub 2 over A sub 2 minus A sub 1. So this is A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, and so on and so forth. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. 14 minus 11 is 3. 17 minus 14 is 3. As you can see, they have a common difference. So kapag meron na po tayong nakuhang common difference, then we can conclude that this given sequence is an example of a arithmetic sequence because they have or they shared a common difference, arithmetic sequence. Okay, di ba nga po sinabi natin na dun sa ating meaning kanina, masasabi natin na ang sequence ay isang harmonic sequence if the reciprocal is an arithmetic sequence. As you can see, the reciprocal here is an example of an arithmetic sequence. So then we can say that the given example or given set of sequence is also an example of a harmonic sequence. Okay, so this is an example of a harmonic sequence. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's have another example for you to be able to understand more, okay, our lesson. Okay, so example number 2, determine whether the sequence is an example of a harmonic sequence given 1 over 4, 1 over 7, and 1 over 9. Okay, what is the first step again? Okay, the first step is to get the reciprocal of the given sequence. So the reciprocal of 1/4 is 4. Okay, very good. How about 1 over 7? That is 7. And then that is 9. Okay, so what is the next step? We need to find the common difference. So we can say, or para masabi po natin, if that sequence is an example of an arithmetic sequence. Oh, okay, so 7 minus 4 is 3. 9 minus 7, that is 2. Okay, very good. Okay, so ngayon, napapansin niyo po ba? Nag-share po ba sila meron po ba silang common difference? Okay, so magkaiba si 3 and 2. So they are not common to each other. Tama po ba? Magkaiba po sila. So this is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, not arithmetic sequence. Okay, so kapag hindi naman siya arithmetic sequence, so we can say that this is also not a harmonic sequence. Okay po? Naiintindihan? Okay, again, lagi nating tandaan na madidetermine po natin ang isang sequence is a harmonic sequence if the reciprocal of that given sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so now let's proceed to another example. We have here example number 3. Find the 10th term of the harmonic sequence. Again, find the 10th term of the harmonic sequence. Okay, going back po sa ating topic last time, arithmetic sequence. It's all about arithmetic sequence. Okay, in finding the 10th term, we use the general formula for arithmetic sequence. Tama po ba? Okay, so the general formula for arithmetic sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, right? Okay, so here in our harmonic sequence, the formula is a sub n, harmonic sequence po, a sub n is equal to 1 over a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ma'am, bakit po 1 over a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d? Kasi nga po, this is the reciprocal of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so katulad ng ginawa po natin kanina, okay, first step is to find the reciprocal of the given terms, okay, of the given sequence. So the reciprocal of 1/2, 1/4, 1 over 6, and 1 over 8 is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so we are going to use this formula. Okay, so ma'am, paano po? Okay, so using this given, okay, the reciprocal of our harmonic sequence, okay, of our harmonic sequence, okay, so we are going to determine first the value of every symbols. Okay, so our a sub n is missing. Our a sub 1 is, what is our a sub 1? Okay, that is 2. Our n is, so how many terms daw po ang hinahanap natin? So we have 10 terms. 10 po ang hinahanap natin. And our d is 2. Ma'am, bakit 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so using all these values, we can substitute or we can plot these values to the given formula. A sub n is equal to 1 over a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so now let's substitute. I'm going to use another, no. Okay, sige, another shade sana. Okay, so our a sub n, what is n? Again, so we have a sub 10. Okay, so n is our 10. Okay, so 1 over, what is our a sub 1? That is 2 plus, what is our n? That is 10 minus 1, and our d is 2. Okay, so next we have a sub 10 is equal to 1 over 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 2. Okay, so let's simplify. A sub 10 here. A sub 10 is equal to 1 over 2 times 18. Okay, nakakasunod po. Okay, so here, dito tayo, dito tayo. Okay, so A sub 10 is equal to 1. 2 plus pala yan. 2 plus 18. Okay. I'm gonna correct this one muna. Plus po pala yan. 2 plus 18. Okay, so 2 plus 18 is equal to 20. Okay, so this is now our final answer. Paguhin ko lang po. A sub 10 is equal to 1 over 20. Okay, that's it. Ganun lang po siya kadali. So our 10 terms here, 10th term is 1 over 20. Kapag gagawin naman, kukuhanin naman po natin yung arithmetic niya, dito naman po siya, that is 20. Okay? Naiintindihan? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you've learned something. You've learned something from me. And by the way, sa susunod nating discussion, I'm going to discuss on how to get the harmonic mean of every sequence, of a harmonic sequence. So that will be all. Goodbye and God bless.